Hi everybody. This summer I came upon an app that I think will be real exciting. It'll help our class a lot. So we're going to try this out early on so I can see how you can do it and how you like it, and then we'll make a decision of how much we're going to use it. This app is called Flipgrid, and what it does, it allows you to make videos that I can do with discussions. So some of you, if you maybe you don't write real well and you want to tell me what you're going to tell me, it'd be an app you could use very easily. So here's how we're going to do it. Okay, come off of this screen right here and down. Now Google, first thing I'm going to do is to Google Access Alabama, Alabama login, okay? Now, Access Alabama login, okay, I'll go right here. It says da-da-da-da-da, Access System Learning login. Okay, hit that there. It should take me to my home page. Now, I've already logged into my home page, and hopefully it'll show up that way. It didn't, so right now we're going to, rather than me give you that you watch my username and password, I'm going to stop the video and then start it with a new video.